In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Notion pages. Whether you're collaborating with a team or simply want to share information with friends or colleagues, understanding how to effortlessly share Notion pages can make your workflow smoother and more efficient. Today, we'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you become confident in using this essential feature. First, let's get started by heading over to Notion. Open your web browser, navigate to the Notion homepage, and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you've accessed your workspace, locate the dedicated page that you want to share. It's important to ensure that this page has all the information you intend to share, so take a moment to review its content, ensuring everything's in order. When your page is ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Notion interface. Here, you'll find the Share button, a crucial gateway to controlling how your information is shared with others. When you click on Share, a pop-up menu will appear, providing a range of options. Carefully review who you want to share the page with. Consider if you want to share with specific people, or go broader by sharing publicly. In the Share menu, input the email addresses of individual collaborators you wish to invite. Think about the permissions you want to assign: full editing rights, commenting only, or view only. Carefully select what suits your needs best. This step is pivotal in maintaining control over how your information is accessed and used. Alternatively, if you're considering sharing the page with a wider audience, say colleagues or friends who might not have a Notion account, you might opt to create a public link. This can be done by toggling the Share to Web option. It makes your page accessible to anyone with the link. Keep in mind that this method opens up your content to the broader internet, so use it judiciously. As you proceed, be mindful of privacy settings. Verify that the permissions are exactly what you intend. If you've shared the link publicly, anyone can access it, whereas specific emails ensure controlled access. It's often a good practice to test the link or ask a trusted colleague to confirm that the sharing settings have been applied correctly. Now, reviewing everything one last time might save you potential reworks or unintended sharing accidents. Once you're satisfied with your settings, you can confidently proceed knowing your Notion. Page is shared exactly as intended. And there you have it. Sharing a Notion page is now within your grasp. You'll find this tool invaluable for seamless collaboration and information dissemination among your networks. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial. We hope this guide has clarified any uncertainties you had about sharing in Notion. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.